Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
There is a low pressure area that has formed over Andra Pradesh coast, and there is one more that is to form by around 17th of September. So these systems are going to keep the rainfall active over Goa. Most of the stations are going to get moderate rainfall, and isolated stations, that means one or two stations over North and South Goa districts, are going to receive heavy rainfall. Goa has recorded a total of 362 centimeters of rainfall against a normal value of 282 centimeters, that is 29% higher than normal. Regarding the fisherman warning issued by IMD, there are no fisherman warning within 75 kilometers from Goa's coast, but beyond that distance, that is beyond 75 kilometers, there is a set of warnings.
मजगती वास्को उरिल्ल्या एका घराचेर झाड पडून बरेच लुकसाण जालें.
म्हणजे होळीचे सुकलेले ते पावसान फुगून ते मूळ हे जाले, ते सगळे मुळा सकट पडले आणि घराचे समज 1 लाखा वयर समज डॅमेज जाले.
टर्नआउट केलो आनी गेलो जाल्यार पळय जाल्यार झाड मातशें मोटें आसा, पूण आमी ताका एक कट मारलो आनी मागीर ताका सारकें कितें डॅमेज आनी जावपा नाका म्हणून हांवें क्रेन मागली. क्रेन हाडली आनी मागीर ते आमी सेफ करून सगळे सारके काडले. एस्टिमेट ओनराच्या सांगण्या प्रमाणे 1 लाख भर आसा ताका लॉस.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.